gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? Why you wanna play with me? You know I'm undefeated. A real high girl know how to.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know the video is really not really going to have good quality, but it's kind of a semi-vlog. So today I want to go and get my hair done, and I thought, why don't I take you guys with me? So I added my cap, it will be here soon. I'm going to go and get my hair slayed. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So normally when I order these caps, they don't come early. Today they said 4 minutes and he came between nanoseconds, like literally. So guys, I'm so gassed. I'm so gassed. So guys, I finally arrived at where I'm getting my hair done, and I'm getting my hair done with my girl Nora Hairs. If you're in Belarus or outside, wherever you are, and you have not ordered from Nora Hairs, make sure you order from her, you know, to get your hair looking flawless of the hair before this clip. I'm going to put a clip of the hair. So yeah.
Jungle lover, baby girl, you know go tire. We are that cool, baby, that cool, baby. My baby jungle lover, baby girl, you know go tire. That cool, baby, that cool, baby. My bad, money my bad, money my bad. Baby girl, come close to me. Side by side, we supposed to be. Anything where you cook me, I want to eat. But I no go chop the booty like groceries. Nah, your old guys only come for me. If they